Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. I'm going to demonstrate how to use a mandolin nice and safely, especially doing potatoes. Okay, so what you want to keep in mind is the blade is very sharp. The key to this is not putting too much pressure when you're sliding down the mandolin, and always use the guard. I can't stress that enough. I've seen many accidents in the kitchen, people not using a guard. So this protects our hands. So this is our safety net. What you're going to do is make sure that you stab those spikes into the potato and it's nice and solid and held on there nice and tight. Okay, I leave the skin on because I think it's got more nutrients in it and it would be great for barbecuing, potato salads and all that such. Okay, so what you're going to do is pop that onto the mandolin and just a nice firm hand, you're going to slide it down. Okay, go at your own speed. It doesn't have to be a fast process. It makes the slicing much easier for you, and by doing this, you're going to end up slicing it a lot quicker than what you could cut it anyway. So it's not a speed race, and what you're going to do is slice it down. Once you start getting close to the guard, you need to make sure that these little guard rails here are in position so they catch onto the side of the mandolin there. Otherwise, you'll start grating down those little safety spikes on top of there. And as you can see, I can't actually slice any more of that potato there. So what I'm going to do is take it off, and it's actually the same thickness as my slices of potatoes, so that can all go in together. Okay, be safe.